this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy but super cute cat toys. So let's go! Our first toy is the Jingle ball. We are going to need a small ball with a hole, a rattle, thin rope, but if it is color, make sure that it is safe for the cats, and hot glue. We are going to start in this side of the ball. Just add some hot glue and paste the rope all around. Put your rattle inside and finish pasting the rope. Be careful with the glue, because if it touches the rattle, it is not going to jingle. And you are done! Our next toy is the Feather Fest. We are going to need 4 feathers, a pipe cleaner, rope, and hot glue. First, grab 2 feathers like this and overlap the other 2 in the opposite direction. Now secure them with a pipe cleaner. Cut the excess and finish securing it. Now add glue all over one side and paste the rope all over. And you are done! Easier impossible. Our next toy is the Springy Path. We are going to need a pipe cleaner, thread in the same color, a needle, some tiny pom-poms, and a marker. First, let's put some thread into the needle. Now, put the pipe cleaner around the marker to make the foam shape. Then, let's make a double knot at the beginning of the toy. Go through one pom-pom with a needle and secure it to the toy by surrounding it with the thread. Just like this. We are going to do this over and over until we finish it. At the end, make a double knot, cut the excess thread, and beat the corners of the toy to avoid cat injury. And you are done! so springy. Our next toy is the ball with feathers. We are going to need feathers, a ball with a hole, a rattle, rope, and hot glue. First, put a lot of hot glue inside the hole of the ball and paste all the feathers. Then add more hot glue at the center of the hole and paste the rattle. This will secure the feathers. Now let's add some more hot glue and paste the rope all around the ball. Cut the excess and you are done. This one is my favorite. Our last toy is the Jingle mouse. We are going to need yarn, a ball with a hole, some tiny rattles, a hook, a big rattle, a pink pipe cleaner, 2 tiny pom-poms in the same color as the yarn, and hot glue. First, cut a stripe of yarn and cross it through the medium rattle. Also, make a knot to secure it. Let's make another knot, but this time leave a little hook, just like this. Now, put your hook through, grab the yarn, and pull it through. Do this several times until the tail is about 7 centimeters in length. Then, the last one, pull it all over to secure it. Now, glue the tail in this side of the ball, just like this, and cut the excess. Then glue the yarn all over. Once you finish, cut a piece of the pink pipe cleaner, bend the corners, and make a wheel form. This is the nose. Put the tiny rattles inside and glue the nose. Be careful to not touch the rattles with the glue. And paste the pom-poms in each side as the ears. And you are done. Oh, they are so cute. I hope this video may help you a little bit. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell button below.